Alright, so the Dangkeebs Strawberry Milk Ice Linear, these long pole, non-silent, secure looking switches, are the follow-up to their original Strawberry Milks with some key improvements. Dangkeebs did send these out to me to try, but I'll still be providing my own opinion. On paper, if we looked at these specs, the only real difference is that the ice version uses Texie's ultra clear or UC nylon housings. The spring is now a 67-gram double spring, as well as having polished molds, which I'm keen to check out. They both still have the 13.4mm palm stem and come unlubed from the factory. There's also a pretty snug fit, so I don't really think films are necessary. Feel-wise, these switches really surprised me, because honestly at first I didn't even realize they were unlubed. They're super smooth out of the box, and the polished housing from Texie is really putting in the work. If it weren't for the noticeable spring and leaf pink, I could imagine running these stock and probably not batting an eye. Plus, paired with a double stage spring makes it a really nice and snappy switch. Now, I still recommend that you lube at least the leaf and spring. You can opt to lube the stem if you want, but smoothness wouldn't really change, even if it's a super light coat. It does, however, make the switch very deep sounding. And comparing to the memory of the original Milks, which I wasn't really a big fan of their sound profile, but the iced version, I dig them a lot. They're definitely on the deeper end of the sound spectrum with a fuller tone, and from their non-iced counterpart, have a less plasticky acoustic to them. So these switches are currently in stock, and for 70 cents a switch, these definitely lean towards the premium end of long pole switches. Cute packaging aside, I might actually recommend these for those looking for a deep and smooth linear switch. And while the springs for me are a little on the heavier end, I can still appreciate how crisp these switches feel. The polished molds are a solid bonus, as even using the stems unlubed provides an exceptional typing experience with no noticeable scratch. The only downside I have with them is that they're manufactured by Texie, and I'll leave it at that. But that's all I got for you guys. If you want to check out these switches, they're linked in the description. Let me know what you think of these sequel switches down below. Thanks, and have a good one.